Loki still has one.
Ninja.
I know how we put this one on. I grab him, hold his neck so he can't.
Don't put it. Let it sit at this, because he says you're gonna to hold my neck. You're gonna risk hurting me. He says besides,
Or you
it
could
goes,
grab the
if his
scruff of
claws
his
are
neck.
spread, yeah, if his claws are spread, putting that booty over there, you could actually hurt his toes.
No, you just got to
Yeah. He says this is
Watch, I'll do it
undignified enough.
Want this other one?
He says no. I think this is quite enough, thank you. Now that's classic. It looks like a Michael Jackson dance or something.
He's still back.
It's the psychedelic hobo dance.